Okay, here's that thing I found, the iPod thing. It's like a boombox. I don't know if there's a battery in this one at all. Hard to say, but it's nice looking. In a nice little case too. I pulled the motor out of the one wash machine. It's actually already pretty well loose. So basically, van is full. That van, truck's pretty full. All these appliances here gotta go. So I'm gonna take a few things off that load. Then I'm gonna top it off with all the stuff here, and then I'm gonna go grab another load right away. I'll do 2 loads. Maybe I'll dump one today and one tomorrow, depending on my time. I got this load here. These are all filler pieces here. All filler. Okay. This looks like a bunch of wheels here or something. Bag of crap here. More junk. More aluminum. Yeah, if they would take the coals, I'm not gonna bother. I'm not dealing with coals. If people clean it up, I could take it, but I'm not gonna pass. All they have to do is, put it into a garbage can. I'm not gonna dick around cleaning garbage. Same with them not taking crackhead bags either. People dump garbage. If it's metal, I'll take the metal, leave the garbage behind, because it can't be cleaning other people's crap all day long. Okay, so I gotta go grab my truck. Gonna take the stuff out of there, top the load off, and I'm gonna dump that load. Yeah, I would take the barbecue, like I say, I'm not pissing around. If the lid was there, it's okay, because I can contain the coals in the lid. But all it's going to do is when I put in my van, it's just going to fall over. So I'm not going to deal with the coals all day long. But if the lid was there, no problem. Stuff stays in the lid, so it's not so bad. But someone must have just stole the lid or something. But yeah, I found 4 computers last night, so I'm happy about that. A DVD player, I believe, and a bag of wires at a secret location that I find a bunch of junk at, which I'm kind of happy about that, because the computers look like they were kind of ransacked a little bit. I mean, I'm not sure. I see the boards in there, beyond the boards and whatever else, I'm not sure, but I'll dig into those a little bit later. Hopefully there's some RAM, maybe some CPUs or something, but hopefully. But they get dumped off at kind of like a recycle center there, and they just kind of leave it laying around just on a street kind of thing, and on the other side of the fence, like they put a fence goes across and just leave it outside there on the ground, and their policy is guys dropping fridges and stoves and all kinds of junk in there, so they don't take that stuff. But sometimes they get lucky to find the odd appliance there, or just miscellaneous junk. But this time I found, looks like 4 looted computers. Guys come in there and they take the parts out that they want, and then scrap the rest, so cruise around a little bit here. Maybe something will pop up. Yeah, it's pretty hot today. Well, it says 21, which doesn't make sense. It seems a lot hotter than that, but my brother said he cruised around, already looked in the area, didn't see much. Saw the barbecues, so told me about the barbecue. If there's no coals, like I say, I'd be gladly take it, but I'm not. Don't feel like cleaning my car out with coals and stuff and grease and all that. So okay, we'll just cruise down here. The weather being good and stuff, this guy's always throwing stuff out all the time. Yeah, I just finished an inspection there. I was in Fort Langley. Didn't see too much out there. I couldn't film there. The owner was there, and I don't know, the guy was kind of like one of those guys that follow you everywhere in the house. So, and plus he had a lot of tools there and all sorts of tools. And I warned the guy, you can't leave any tools in these demo houses. People are gonna break in. So I didn't want to film there just in case, you know, something goes wrong and then I get blamed. So, but anyways, it was a basic house. It was built 1970s, made of bricks and stuff. So. Okay, well, let's keep cruising here now. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, so I'm gonna pull some stuff out of here. All that rolling shelf I got. Just gonna try to make it load fast load. It's late right now. It's like 3 o'clock. Nice rolling carts here also. Oh, heavy duty. Very heavy. Okay, so I'm gonna get some of this out of here first. Okay. So this is all the better metals here. Wire and stuff. Transformers, so on. Wire. I don't know if I'm going to do that buggy. I'd scrap it. Can't keep everything. The cast fireplace there. I'm going to throw this bike frame up there. Really warped. See, I don't know what the scoop is on these bikes here, so can't really sell them because, you know, who knows where this guy got the stuff from, right? So I'm not going to try to sell something from a crack house. In case the guy stole it or something, right? And they come back after me thinking I stole this crap. So just scrap it on the wheels. But apparently there was like 25 bikes at this house, and at least 20 bikes are gone. So okay, I'm gonna start getting some appliances in there. Figure which ones I get first. Some of these ones I'll take the plate off it. Like with 3 in anyways. That's my timeline, like 3:20. Okay, let me take the plate off that thing and get it ready and a few things. Okay, so I'm stripping this one here. you're hot in the sun, I'll tell you. Every time I go on doing something, the phone rings. I'll put the phone back in a minute. Like I say, it's not a lot, but it adds up. When you get a lot of stoves, you know, it's all this wire. Look at that, it's free wire. You might as well grab it. Wire there, get pieces here. Take all the wire I can get. Maybe get a pound of wire, not a lot, but maybe less than a pound, but like I say, it's still wire. Okay, so yeah, I can't get 3 appliances aside, so it's too bad. But anyways, just gonna take the switches off, a few things. Take this board off, I think. So I'll take it off with that. Transformer here. Transformer. So you look for added values and stuff, right? The switch looks like it's been changed already. Yeah, one switch has been changed here already. That one's been changed. I'll pop the rest of those switches out, and then that's it on that one. I'll load the rest of the garbage and hold it. Okay, I load. That's what I have for now. But I still have the whole yard full on that side. And okay, so basically I have all this here, and the van's full too. I'll keep the shelf here. I got 2 aluminum window frames there. So what I'm gonna do is gonna dump that now, and then I'm gonna load another load and take it back tomorrow. I still got stuff in my storage too, a lot of stuff. It's 4:10 right now, so gotta get on it. Okay. Okay, we're gonna unload some of the stuff here from yesterday.
Putting it?
Well, just aside, I'll take the tires off it.
Well, that would get more instead of going up and down. It'll be all day.
I'm going to take this out. Put it right there.
He doesn't park in extra.
You can put it against my door. I'll take this off here. Ugh. It's in there good.
You need that?
Yeah, just hold it for a second. Need to get this down.
You don't need this until it's rolling, right?
What? You say?
You don't need this until this is down?
Yeah.
Okay. Park it at! Oh, you can't.
Yeah, park right there. Okay. This one I got.
Can you stand here and give me the remote while I start my dinner? Just gonna try to go in.
Here's I got yesterday. Look like they've been somewhat robbed for CPUs and all that, but 4 there. So I got a fridge here. So I got 2 fridges, this, and a stove, and all this here, and then the 1 bike over there. There's a handle here. Got a couple frying pans yesterday. Got 1 steel, 1's aluminum. One card, 2 DVD drives there. Yeah, it looks like it's been looted big time. Oh well, okay, we can do. DVD player, some cords. Second door here too. Whew, let's get this out here. One computer looks like it's somewhat there. Okay. Even though I still got a board, that's worth some money. This bike hoodie here. The stupid fridge jammed in here. There it is. Another rusty beater bike. Okay. Just need the angle here to rock this fridge because I have these metal brackets here on the ground for the seats and they just jam in here, so that's why I was having a bit of a hard time yesterday. I figure how I'm gonna do this because see, it's just that's the problem. The fridge is a little high. This barely makes it up. So that's how much I have to. Not the best for fridges, but everything else is good. Okay, go down. Okay, sensor, now the sensor stops. Okay, good. Let's lift her up. Just gonna reverse it and flip it over. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna put all this in here next to. Strip out those computers. Yeah, I just got all those here. And whatever's at the other yard, I'll top it off. Okay. Got all the appliances in. So pretty good load so far. Appliances got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 appliances. Okay, I gotta get this thing out of here. So look at all this wire and extra value stuff, right? So not too bad. I'll throw this over here. So it's all my heavy metal here. Somewhat heavier. This is kind of heavy metal, but we'll see. Should actually throw it in that truck, to be honest, but I mean, it's pretty heavy, bulky, but let's throw this in the truck. Because if I take it in the van later, I don't want to deal with this. It's too long. It's more like kind of 50-50. Not exactly tin, not exactly steel. Perfect. So you're gonna have to get these bikes ready. One's got metal wheels, aluminum wheels, I guess. Probably strip this one. Tight. So not bad. First load, like I said, was 2,100 pounds, and it was $147 value. So not too bad. They kind of leveled, the price leveled off. Must be something to do with the tariff. And they're hauling ass. They're taking the stuff out pretty quick there. There was a standstill for about 3 weeks. Didn't take nothing out. Now they're hauling, so they must have knew the tariffs. Something to do with tariffs, I think. If they gotta pay duties on their own crap, well, you know, it could equal to a lot of money. Anyways. Oh, rusty this shit. Rusty. What's that one? This is all rusty steel. Strict. I got more steel in my other house. Like just, you know, stuff I can throw in. Top the load off. Maybe I'll strip some more computers. Okay. That's a good call. Dinner. Some steel. Got a couple pots yesterday. You know, I can't film everything. I just got too much video otherwise. Okay. More wheels, more tires. Didn't take that fax machine apart after. Let's get on my dinner first, I guess. So just like saving the material here, like look at this. See this wire? It switches. You know, stuff like this, instead of throwing it in the barbecue, just take it out. You get extra money for it. Right? Here's the inverter here from a microwave. Right? I'm gonna throw any microwave, one that has both sides here aluminum. I'm just gonna throw in heavy metal. See what they say. One side could be copper maybe on this one. Oh yeah, this is all copper. I fluked out one all copper. I'm glad I got my yard clean here. All the big stuff anyways. Van's clean. So I'm gonna do those computers next. Maybe some added value there, who knows. At least I got the boards out, DVD drives. I just want the board anyways, I don't care about the rest. So I need a little bit of I need chips. I'm not taking a chip off a computer board because that means that if I take 2 chips off there, the board's destroyed. Can't sell it. So if I keep them whole, sell them, and take the chips out of DVD players, DVD units, and you know, different game consoles and different things, take chips out, and then at least possibly say at least I'll have something to play with for gold recovery. Hey, what do you say, buddy? Roxy, come here. Birdie, Roxy. Yes. Okay, let's go. Dinner. Brother Intel Fax 775. So it's a fax machine. Let's see what kind of board there is. What I can use for gold recovery. Board's just sitting there. And not really, well, it's not bad, I guess. It's got some stuff in it. Not like some of the ones I had before. Some of these things could be really good. It's got one removable chip. I wonder if it's got a window on it. No window. Okay. Take what's easy off it, that's all I can do. The rest of the shred. Still mortars and stuff in there, salvageable mortars. Some metal framing and different things. What's that? Board here. Just a little bit high. Been robbed. Someone took all the stuff out of it. It was outside a recycle center, so they just guys come up there on the other side of the fence. They just basically take it apart. It's too bad. I'm just going to strip the rest of these computers. take out the different drives, a few things. Okay, if I see something interesting in one of the computers, I'll show you. Okay, basic cassette tape here. It says CD, but I don't see. It must be just optional on the bottom or something. 2-piece. Nice heat sink here on the back. Interesting green board. Not a lot of ICers or nothing, but sometimes these boards are pretty nice. This one's pretty plain actually. Solder all over it. Not really. Green board. The rest of the stuff is forget it. This long screwdriver, which I may not have. Some of these are really good for a good mortar. So I pretty well cleaned up everything. Stripped all the computers up. Just sorting a few cords out right now. A couple stereos I took apart. Just want to take this apart here. Oh yeah, nice mortar. Considering the cheap plastic base, the mortar is quite nice. Blenders are always pretty good. Recycling there. Just for a little blender, a lot of electronics goes in there. I'll take this out too. Plastic. A little bit of wire, really low grade board, probably really nothing in there. You knock off this relay or something. Knock off relay. One little heat sink here. There it is, aluminum. I don't see no value there. Shred it. This won't turn. Something else here. This doesn't want to turn either. Might be able to knock these 4 screws out. Not sure why it's just turning. Not sure what's going on here. Okay, so we can probably strip it without taking it apart. Just gonna have to cut it here. Okay, let's cut. Okay, it's almost cut. And it's cut. Makes it just a little bit harder, but should come out. There's a little copper winding there. Just using the bracket as leverage. See that? Pull like that. So we're gonna just straighten it out a bit. Straighten it out a bit. It just helps it want to come out easier. Oh, there it is. There's your copper right there. There's more copper in here, but gonna have to do a little bit of cutting. You know, we'll have to cut the shaft off with some grinder or something because it's not coming otherwise. Big project later. Okay. So not bad mortar if you find them. It's pretty good. Nice little chunk of copper. Okay, let me take this blender apart and I'll show you the inside after. It's actually like a food processing type thing. Or juicer, I think it's a juicer. Okay. End up getting somewhat taken apart. This looks like a big mortar in here. Tap it in. Lots of plastic. But it looks like a nice looking mortar. Like 2 screws. Should come right apart. Yeah, I don't know how this comes off here, so came out. Okay, we got a little bit of brass here for the brushes. Brass. A piece of brass. Back of a mortar. Okay. More brass here where the connection points are. Not a lot of copper on this compared to the other one I thought had more copper, but okay, let me just spread her out a bit. There it is. If you cut it completely, then you're not going to be fighting the windings at all. Sides there. Which side is going to work here? Okay. Nice copper, look at that, copper. So I mean, like I say, it's not a lot of copper, but it's still nice. You find those all the time, those little blenders and different juicers and things. At least it's copper, it's not aluminum windings, if you know what I mean. So these could go together here. See? Some tape off. Clean up some of these little clips. There. Nice clean number 2 copper right there. Add to the piggy bank. This thing here, I wasn't sure how this unwinded. I guess it's on screws, but I could unscrew it in gear for some reason, so no plastic. So there's copper here also. So you can see there. This is actually easy to take off because it's, you can see between the windings. Actually, this one's easy too. Sometimes it's really jammed in there. I can clearly see between the windings. See that? So all you have to do is just cut off one side somewhere and then just unravel it. You'd probably a little more copper, not a lot, but anyways. Okay, that's it. Tear downs are all done on there. Okay, mix and match of stuff. Little mortars and a little bit of wire, plugs, circuit boards. Got this rolling basket. Gonna sort it out tomorrow sometime. Just a bunch of mismatched stuff. So basically all the everything I want to do is done for now here. Okay, I might go out for a spin, see if I can see something near you. Okay, stay tuned. If I find something, I'll film it. Okay, got 2 appliances here. I'll tip off. Someone called me, told me they were here, so that's awesome. Look at this. It's got a little pump mortar there, huh? Makes you wonder on stripping this one. Huh. It's a little tiny mortar there. I kind of like a little pump mortar. The big mortar's over there. So, anyways, let's get her in. That's that. There's a cord on there. No cord. Oh yeah, it's a heavy one. They stuck it weird how they stuck it right in the corner. I guess they don't want no one knowing who put it there. Yeah, this one's heavy. Okay. Okay, Shelly, thanks for the tip on that one there. Awesome. Okay, got it. Take it to the dryer. Looks like the cord's cut. Not that heavy, but well. Got a bunch of junk I found earlier, so I had to load here. Guess it's in. So I got a bike, a microwave, 2 bikes actually. Microwave, stoves, wires. Okay. I just wonder if I could. It'd be better if I could get it in more. But the corner here is that sewing machine. It's all plastic anyway, Singer. Good for the shred. Okay, let's go. What is this? This is some kind of cooker. I see a lawnmower further up there. I don't know if I want the cooler. Probably not. I thought there's more metal here, but not that good. It's kind of metal here. Kid's toy thing, jumper or something. Yeah, microwave, or I mean a lawnmower just up there. Let me drive to it. Hopefully I can get it in. Haven't done this area for a while, so it's been about I don't know, a month and a half anyways, so I should never know what's coming out. Oh, no electric one. Pin out. Throw it in. Well, it's just wired on. That's off. Both sides are wired. Cotter pins off. Figure how to get it off. There it is. Cable. Got quite the collection, these ones. Got probably 5 or 6 in my yard. The wire's still on here. There's a bit of a cotter pin in there. Take that off. See if I can get in here. Yeah, nice. There it is. Okay, that's the road here. I guess you'll have an alley on one side, I guess, so see it all in here. So I'll have to go up here. And put half here and half there. Pretty heavy chairs. Okay, there it is. Bike frame. What's the name on it? It's Regal or something. It's a cheap one. Okay. Okay, got a second lawnmower here. It's electric. Take the pins off. I believe get lucky on these things here. I usually find two. Comes in twos. Cutters on this side or what? A lot of rats around. It's just a rat over there. Yeah, Vancouver's got lots of rats. Time of driving the alley, you can see them. Okay, so that's that. And then perfect.